Welcome to Rushing. Simplified news for busy investors. This is the first short daily financial audio newsletter made by a woman for the whole busy world that delivers clear headlines and quick context to help you get ready faster before the market opens. In under 5 minutes, you get the top market movers, why they matter, and which sectors to watch so you can act with less noise and more clarity. Everything we offer here is purely educational, not advice. But you are a big boy or a big girl and you heard it many times, so you know this already and you are still here. Thank you for this and enjoy. Let's dive in. Good Monday Premarket, October 6, 20. This is Rushing. 5 headlines. Clean and tradable. First headline. Wall Street eyes a shutdown while sitting at records. What is it? The S&P 500 and the Dow closed Friday at record highs even as the U.S. government shutdown rolled into day 3. Earnings season is up next and the data calendar is patchy because agencies are dark. Why magnify it? Price is extended into a data vacuum. That puts extra weight on forward guidance and margins. Any negative surprise hits faster when official releases are delayed. Possible affected sectors. Broad U.S. indexes, megacap growth, cyclicals into earnings, index volatility, short duration rates. Second headline. AI momentum with some turbulence. What is it? Cerebras withdrew its U.S. IPO days after raising more than $1 billion. At the same time, Bloomberg reports OpenAI completed a secondary sale near a $500 billion valuation. Optimism meets selectivity. Why magnify it? Funding is open for leaders, tighter for everyone else. Expect dispersion inside AI. Narrative names can gap on headlines while cash flow winners keep leadership. Possible affected sectors. Semiconductors and AI hardware, hyperscalers, cloud and software IPO calendar. Third headline. Rate cut bets versus slowing services and missing jobs data. What is it? ISM services cooled and the shutdown iced the monthly payrolls release. Markets still price a heavy chance of more easing while Fed voices sound cautious. Why magnify it? With official data missing, the curve trades headlines and private surveys. A dovish lean lifts duration and defensives. Any pushback from Fed speakers can wobble equities leaning on easy policy. Possible affected sectors. Treasuries across the curve, housing and utilities, banks via net interest margins, gold and dollar pairs. Fourth headline. Strategic commodities and geopolitics in focus. What is it? Reuters reported U.S. officials discussing a possible equity stake connected to Greenland's Tanbreez rare earth project. OPEC Plus agreed a modest output hike starting in November after a debate between Saudi Arabia and Russia. Oil fell sharply last week on supply expectations. Why magnify it? Rare earths policy signals a push to de-risk supply chains away from China. Extra barrels cap inflation impulse and ease real rate pressure, but they also pressure energy equities if prices stay soft. Possible affected sectors. Rare earth miners and processors, EV and defense supply chains, energy producers, refiners, shippers. Last headline. Consumers, restaurants and quiet rotations. What is it? Barron's highlighted retailers with elite returns on invested capital and flagged fast casual restaurant names that lost investor appeal as price fatigue set in. Why magnify it? Late cycle playbook favors capital-efficient compounders while crowded dining concepts reset. Expect selective bids for staples and auto aftermarket while expensive growth restaurants rebuild. Possible affected sectors. Specialty retail and footwear, auto parts retailers, consumer staples, fast casual dining. Quick watch list for the open. Shutdown headlines and any Senate movement. Early earnings guides. OPEC Plus commentary bleeding into crude and inflation expectations. Any AI announcements or follow-through after OpenAI news. Amazon Prime deals weak as a soft demand tell. That is your 3 to 5 minute brief. For the full rundown in text, check Magnified. Thanks for listening to Rushing. The best free way to support is to subscribe, turn on notifications and share it with other people to help them as well.